unboxing
These kitchen toys!
cooking toys from Cool Planet.
Yeah, nice.
Check it out, guys.
Huh?
Okay, hi.
Hi.
Okay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so this kitchen set got where you can add water into it as well, and you can pump out the water, and then you can add batteries into it, and there will be a fire sound coming in. So, and there's so many veggies, guys. So this is the mini sets, but Cool Planet got so many varieties as on kitchen sets. They got huge ones as well. So you can check them out, and if you like our video, you can subscribe to our channel, and please you can click the like button as well if you want to see Kiki and Kay. So thank you guys.
Bye.